Hello everyone, and welcome to another Lens Studio tutorial. This video, like a lot of the other ones, is going to be about the tracer effect, but this one I decided to just make a template for you so that you can do all the customizing yourself and save a little time. If you want to download the project, just click the link in the description below, and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to look at is the tracers controller. Now, there's really only two things you need to worry about: the segmentation and the tracer intensity. So if we turn segmentation on, it's going to happen only behind the user. And the tracer intensity is basically, just how intense the effect looks. If it goes all the way up to 1, it's basically going to freeze unless you have segmentation on. And then, any lower than like 0.7, it starts to just not be really apparent at all. So I like to keep it around like 85. And what you can do also is, if you look in the effects camera, I added some example effects that you could add. So like maybe like a chromatic aberration effect from the analog TV post effect, or maybe just like a color change with the color gradient, like a face mask, or like an eye liquefy, or just like a simple color correction, and even just a distortion. So if you want to add your own custom effects in there, I would just suggest that you make the effects like alpha or whatever type the effect is really low, because with the tracer effect it kind of intensifies it a bunch. Like if I was to make this really high and turn it on, it's just gonna overpower it. So you're gonna want to turn it down real low to keep the effect looking nice. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you guys have fun with this, and like always, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I would love to see your creations as well, so send them all to me. Well, happy creating, everyone.